like to share with you these child safety locks from Secure Home by Jessa Leona. Now this is a nice set. It comes 6 in a package. These are sturdy, good quality safety locks. What I like about these is the color to match the kitchen or the refrigerator. But what I like about these, it's the adjustability of it. So the way these work is each side would stick to whatever cabinet I choose. And then this back is nice because it adjusts. So it comes right off, like so. This gets placed onto something, like that. And then this is what's nice, is it can be adjusted. So I may want to put it all the way in to tighten it, or I may just want it right there. It depends on what works, what I'm comfortable with at the time, or what it is that I'm putting it on. And then the lid just slides right through, actually. Whoops, wrong side. Right here, slides right through and pushes right through like so. Very easy to do, very easy to apply. Simple is what I like. Now, to get it off, I did read some of the reviews, which is how I found this out. So I would use my hair dryer to apply to the back of these, to the sides, and eventually this just peels right off. So I like that about it. But these are nice, good quality child safety locks that are going to work really well, and I do recommend them.